Wayne Pointer, and welcome to BBQ Brokers today. We're in Kansas City, Missouri at the BBQ, and today we're going to be cooking with my good buddy Johnny Joseph. Johnny, how you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good. Thank you for having me, Dwayne.
Yeah. Tell me where you're from, Johnny.
I'm from West Monroe, Louisiana. I'm a northern boy. I'm not one of them South Louisiana boys. So
You're from the northern. Is that way up? Is that way up to the north side? Or is
that's
central
Arkansas, Louisiana line.
Tell me what we're going to be cooking today.
We're going to be cooking some blackened catfish with we're going to be putting on some Johnny Joseph steak rub. It's not just a steak rub, it's all-purpose rub. It goes on anything.
Tell me how you come up with this and why you come
Oh,
up with
Lord. Been working on this for years. This is, I guess, 20 years been using it and been tweaking it. Add a little cayenne, a little salt and pepper and garlic, onion, and a little spice.
Well, obviously it's a good one because you got the hardware to prove it.
Yeah.
Tell me about this hardware we got up front.
Well, this hardware is, these are the SCA Points Championship, 14, 15, and 16.
You're a legend in the SCA.
Well, I'm Johnny Joseph and love to fellowship and have fun with everybody.
Hey, that's what it's all about. You know, about all the cooking in the world, it's about the people that's a part of it.
Yeah.
You know, that's the reason I'm here at the BBQ. That's the reason that I love and be a part of the SCA. It's the people that's, it's the, everybody, we're all buddies. We love hanging out with each other, and we just warm welcome all the new ones to come in and have fun with us. Well, let's get to cooking.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on. Let's make it happen.
So we're gonna throw down a little Louisiana style mud cat. No, it's blue channel catfish. We're gonna blacken it with a little Johnny Joe's steak rub, and we're gonna throw it on the grill. We got a griddle top in there. We're just gonna lightly season it.
Now tell me about your cooking and who taught you how to cook this fish?
My mama would use a black iron skillet on everything. So my mama is the one I look after that taught me how to do all this cooking. Bless her heart, she left us about 2004, but she was one that I really taught me how to do all my cooking and stuff like that.
My mama. Don't think something. They think I did.
You know, the rub says steak, and it's not just steak. It's whatever you want to put it on. I mean, it's good on anything. So we're gonna ease over here to the grill.
Yeah, we're gonna cooking on a PK today.
Yep.
And we're gonna step over here to the grill.
And we're gonna use some grill grate griddle.
Grill grate griddle. Now that's a grill grate flipped over on
No, it's a real griddle.
Oh, it's just a griddle.
It's a griddle.
So tell me about the difference in the grill. There's a griddle that's flat.
Yep.
And then there's a grill grate that we all mark our steaks with.
Yeah, right. And you can flip them over and use them as a griddle.
Right. All right, Johnny. So how hot's this thing?
Oh, it's about right at 600.
600 degrees.
And we're gonna blacken these off about 1.5 minutes per turn, which won't take long.
Just tell us why you like to use this PK.
This PK is a cast aluminum. My mom and daddy had one like that.
Yeah.
And I had to run over and see what it was all about.
Right.
My mom and them had a rectangle one.
Yeah, I saw one.
And it was awesome. And one thing led,
box.
it was just a square box, open this way, like the 360s.
Right.
And I told them, I said, my mom, and then they would tell me, yeah, that was the PK. And from then on, they took me in, and I've been cooking on a PK ever since. So how long we been talking?
About 1.5 minutes.
Have we?
I think we're on that.
Okay, we're just gonna reach down here and catch that one and flip that over. Flip that over.
Boy, you smell it, isn't it?
Oh, in this rub, it's got cayenne, it's got black pepper, it's got, I am a Louisiana boy.
Now what we're putting on here?
Oh, we're gonna douse it a little butter, just kind of
just
nothing special.
I got you.
You ain't got to do all that. When you got it all in that Johnny Joe's steak rub, you don't need nothing but a little butter.
That's right.
Little butter goes a long way.
What would we do without it?
Yep. I'm telling you, I think it's good on anything.
Yeah.
So we just gonna let that sit there.
Oh, that smells good.
Ain't that?
You just smell that and all that. Man, I tell you.
Yeah. kind of got that booyah.
Yeah,
you know?
it's got that pop
Yep,
to
yep,
it.
yep. Wait until that, you put a little of that between your cheek and gum here in a minute.
Man, that smells good. I can't wait to try this.
Yep. It's looking good. So what you do is you can just take that right there, and you see that flake?
It starts breaking
See that?
apart.
See that right there? That's ready. So we're gonna reach in here and get that.
Get that grill hot. It don't take long.
No.
All right, Johnny. We got it off the grill. It smells good. We let it calm down just a little bit. I'm gonna have to dive in here and see what this is like. Yeah, look at that, how that's breaking apart too. That's good stuff right there.
Need a little white wine with it or something.
Ain't hot, that's just good.
It is.
That ain't hot. That ain't hot. That ain't spicy hot. It's just got a little bit of bite there, but man, that's good. I'm gonna have to go after it again. Man, that's good.
Yep.
That butter,
Yep. Made it rich.
it made it rich. Like I say, it just kind of melted it in there. You know, you don't have anything gritty. It's just smooth texture.
That right there.
That's on.
Blackened. I mean, it don't say blackened. It says Johnny Joseph Steak Rub.
Now I'm getting just a touch of that little
Yeah,
heat.
you
So
feel it
now,
now?
okay, it's
But
in
see-
the,
but
it's
see,
in the
if
back of the
But
house
if
though.
you had that little white wine or something
Oh,
to go
yeah.
along with
Makes
it, throw
everybody
that little
better.
pinky out there and
Makes everybody
Oh, my
better.
God.
Man, that's a dandy.
kind
Hey,
of growing on you, huh? What
good
you think?
job.
What you think?
That's a good one. You
Hey.
did a good one. Thank you for checking us out at BBQ Brokers today. We're barbecue people helping barbecue people. Till next time, we'll see you right here on BBQ Brokers.